went very well from beginning to end. I met with John, the salesman, and he went over all the pros and cons and all how it works and how the process would work as far as the installation. And and then the installation. That was. I was really impressed with that because it rained quite a bit of that day, so I figured it would go into the second day, but it didn't. And when I got back here at 4:30, the crew were all ready to leave, and they cleaned up any mess that was made. Everything was left nice, and the way they found it, very impressed with it. And then most of all, when the hurricane was coming back in September, I don't know what the feeling was I had. It was so relaxed with the hurricane coming because I knew I had the windows and there was no rush in putting up shutters or cover this or cover that. It was all ready to go and just relax and wait for the hurricane. Thank God it didn't hit us too hard. But I really, really satisfied.